You will no longer need to go to the hospital. Just 1 cup a day and your liver will be clean in just 4 days. We'll start by adding 1 cup of water to a saucepan. Now we'll add a chopped green apple, 15 grams of ginger, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 sliced lemon, and 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Mix and let it boil for 15 minutes. This recipe was taught to me by a 70-year-old lady, and I decided to share it with you. Green apples are particularly rich in malic acid. It facilitates liver cleansing and detoxification. With the combination of green apples and the other ingredients, it helps filter the blood to capture the toxins absorbed from eating, drinking, or taking medications. We recommend making this tea to clean and keep your liver clean. Drink 1 cup on an empty stomach every day, and you will thank me. If you want, you can add a tablespoon of honey. Thank you for supporting us. See you next time.
Now the herbs that stimulate healing in the liver, so these are your liver herbs. Remember, sweet to the mouth, bitter to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, sweet to the liver. All your bitter herbs, so that's dandelion. And that can be taken fresh or as a dried herb, St. Mary's thistle. And you can also get another herb which is very bitter. It's called gentian. And the sweet bitter is ginger. And globe artichoke is another well-known liver herb. The liver's a recoverable organ. So once you get the colon moving well, which it should, with exercise and fibre, relaxing, and give it the herbs, the liver will recover. I'll leave that for a few minutes. So that's how you can strengthen your liver.